In this video, I'll review the book Shetland Fine Lace Knitting. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. So there's a new book out. I recently got my hands on a copy. It was a long wait for me over here in the United States. It took a while. It's been out a few months over in Europe, but Shetland Fine Lace Knitting. And so I'd like to show you this book, give you a peek inside, and let you know what I think of it. Here's the book. It's by Carol Christiansen. Shetland Fine Lace Knitting, Recreating Patterns from the Past. It's a hardback book. Nice size. It has a paper jacket. This book is put out as the result of a project undertaken by the Shetland Museum to assess their knitted lace collection. So it's taking a look at pieces that are in the Shetland Museum and analyzing them, and it's just a really great book. There's a nice chapter on the Shetland knitted lace tradition with photographs. And then it goes into analyzing the actual knitting examples that they have in the museum and looking at the patterns used. So it's sort of a stitch dictionary of sorts, but with a historical basis, because it is analyzing actual samples that are in the Shetland Museum that have been knitted by Shetland knitters. And so primarily it is a stitch dictionary of Shetland lace stitch patterns. The photographs are really nice, are well done. The charts are clear, and that it also provides written directions in addition to the charts. This is a really well done book. There are 208 pages. There is a small short index at the back, some references. And a section towards the end of the book talking about, in more detail, about some of the pieces that are in the museum. If you enjoy designing lace shawls or knitting lace shawls, especially Shetland lace, then I highly recommend this book. So that's the book, Shetland Fine Lace Knitting. What do you think of this book? Would you like to add it to your bookshelf? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.